Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll talk about the battery draining details about the Oneplus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. So after the recent software update, I've been testing regarding the performance and the battery life in this phone because few of the users did mention that they're getting very low in terms of the screen on time on the battery details in the Oneplus Nord 2. So I thought of using this phone for the next 2 days. So this is a day 1 of using the Oneplus Nord 2 device, which is a 8GB RAM variant. And during this usage, I'll be using the non-stop 4G plus. As you can see, I mean during the daytime I'll be using the 4G plus, and during the night time definitely I'll try to turn off the mobile data as well. But in this video I'll try to show you what is the screen on time I got right now in the day 1 of using with the Oneplus Nord 2. So let me try to show you my usage of the refresh rate as well. So let's go to the display. So throughout this test, I did keep only the 90 Hz refresh rate. As you can see, it's 90 Hz exactly throughout this time of demonstration. And in this one day, I think I did use the close to medium to heavy kind of usage with the Oneplus Nord 2. Yes, medium to heavy kind of usage, because I did do a lot of benchmark applications, and even I did watch the Netflix and Amazon Prime videos couple of times in terms of the testings as well. So for half an hour and kind of close to 40 minutes sometimes. And overall the screen on time we got about 2 hours and 50 minutes during the time of demonstration. As you can see, the usage 1 day and 3 hours. So this is a day 1 of using. So by the day 1, the battery dropped to the, I think maybe close to 45% you can consider, but right now it's of 43% as you can see. And the screen on time is about 2 hours and 50 minutes. I think overall we can expect the screen on time kind of close to 6 hours in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. 6, maybe slightly more than 6 hours a little bit, but overall the average will be 5 to 6 hours of the screen on time in the Oneplus Nord 2 after the recent software update. So before the software update, sometimes I used to get even close to, I think 7 hours of screen on time sometimes, as you can see. So I just need to wait for certain amount of time. So I'll try to again upload another video maybe tomorrow, so showing you what is the final screen on time I'm getting in the Oneplus Nord 2. This is a screen on time which I got on 29th July, as you can see, before the software update results. But let's see, after the recent software update results, we'll get to know the more details, how is the battery draining in this phone. But so far, this is my day 1 of using with this Oneplus Nord 2 device. These are the results which we got during this process demonstration, and there is only single SIM card in this Oneplus Nord 2 device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.